it is just expressing the same frustration that I expressed in the first place. Kasi it's costing more for the parents. Kasi nadagdagan ng 2 years pa. Magmamatrikulasyon pa yan, maraming mga school supplies, bibili ng libro, lahat. Sa 10 years, wala namang advantage. Wala naman naging advantage. Hindi rin nakukuha sa trabaho. So that's his frustration. And that's also my frustration. So we'll see what the Congress will do. But while the law is still K-12, basta't ang sinabi ko kay Sec. Sani,
Yes.
Angara, pagandahin natin ng husto habang nandyan pa yan. Kasi anong madalas natin marinig? Mismatch. Yung skills ko, hindi employable. Magaling ako magganito, hindi naman nila kailangan ng ganyang klase. We have partnered with the private sector and to ask them, ano ba ang kailangan ninyong skills? Ano ba ang kailangan ninyong klaseng trabahador para makuha, ma-employ doon sa inyo? In fairness, the private sector went even one step further. Gusto nyo kami na magpatakbo ng training.